All right, guys, here we got the fighter pilot box. Once again, looks very nice, very sleek, pretty dope. You know what I mean? Let's turn it around here. Let's see. It says El Piloto de Casa Estelar. I got no idea why it's in Spanish, though, so that's strange. That's different. But fighter pilot, that's what it says. Now, this is also one of my favorite pieces right here. You got a fighter pilot in the bottom. Man, that just looks cool, man. It looks dope. It looks better even than the real one to the left when you look at that model, man. But let's turn it here. 40 Empire Strikes Back, baby. The helmet collection. This is going to be the last piece I'm going to do. All right, let's go ahead. Pop this open. Two. Like I said before, I like just popping it open like this so I won't damage the box. Now let's go see what we got in here. All right, now let's put this to the side. All right. Instruction manual. 2. I got no idea what these are. Let's put these to the side though. Oh, looks like this one has 6 bags, where the other ones had only 5. So we got an extra bag on this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one came with stickers. All right, so let's get to it. Let's start the building. Actually, before we start the building, let's put these to the side. And let's take a look at our instruction manual. All right, guys, so right here we got the instruction manual. Let's open this book up. Let's check it out. Man, that just looks so cool, man. I think that's got to be my favorite helmet out of all of them. It's the fighter pilot. And, man, yep, once again, just a quick little brief description of the fighter pilot and Star Wars. Let's check it out. Let's see how many pages we got here. So we got 6 bags. I'm thinking that there's going to be a lot more pages than the other helmets. So let's take a look. All right. Come on. All right, 175 pages. That's basically 50 more pages than the other helmets. Now let's start the building. right, guys. Well, here you have it, the finished product. I gotta say, this one out of all three has got to be my favorite one, man. It has a lot more detail than all the other than all the other two helmets. So you see on the back, it's nice and smooth, whereas the other helmets don't have nothing in the back. There you go. You got these pieces coming down. As for these, it's one piece each, so there's like 18 pieces. It looks exactly like it does on the box, man. It's just beautiful, man. So yeah, there you have it. Make sure to subscribe, man.